The Ayurvedic philosophy, we should not deal with the modern statistical and microbiological, histopathological. You may use these sciences to find out the proper Ayurvedic status of the patient. Suppose in ancient time, the urine analysis was done by the principle that somebody go for urination, and after that, suppose ants are collected to that urine cells that have urine sugar positive. Today you can find out the urine sugar with the Benedict solution method or by the strip method, urine strip method, or by any way. At that time, the smelling of the patient shows that he has diabetes. Crying of the patient or the sound of the patient denotes the respiratory distress syndrome RDS of that patient. So, Panch Jnanendriyas are the best investigator of the person. This is the basic principle of Ayurveda. Whatever the knowledge you have to take from the patient from your five senses. Suppose you are a good doctor, how you can be called good according to Ayurveda? You have improved your senses. If you are improving your senses, you are the good, you are the better, you are the best doctor. But today you see the practice of senseless things. All pro pharmas are there. Go for CT scan, go for MRI, go for CBC, go for PBS, go for this test, a number of tests undergoes, and after coming the reports, anybody who is a medico, non-medico, he has simple, he may be the computer person of that consultant, he also knows that what is this now. According to Ayurveda, you have to improve your sense by the practice. So practice make man perfect is a perfect slogan of Ayurveda. So all my colleagues, today I just have given you the hint related to the practice of Ayurveda. If in future, in world, in any continent, in any country you have to treat the person, you should first select a Ayurvedic philosopher, Ayurveda Acharya, as a doctor and send him there. Tell him to diagnose the patient according to the Ayurvedic philosophy, not according to the modern philosophy. There is philosophy related to these epidemics, Janabadhansak Vyadhis, Dosha, Dusha, all these things are considered in this criteria of outbreak or pandemics in Ayurvedic situation. Isolation is also a treatment. It is not in today's science have given the solution to the world. According to the Ayurveda, isolation is of 40 days, not of 14 days, 40 days, and that have some ideas related to quarantine period of that person. How can it be quarantined? How can be isolated? How can be hospitalized? All these things are given in the philosophy, in the Vedas, and in the Sahitas of Ayurveda. So today, this is an introductory part with the best of my knowledge. I mean, I might not be having the habit of speaking English, but as it is a global problem, I tried my level best to explain you in my manner of and my language. So in future, we definitely go and have some good result with Ayurvedic philosophies. I am very happy that I get knowledge from my electronic media that in Delhi, one hospital, which is a total Ayurvedic hospital, there are 55 patients get admitted in that hospital, and they getting treatment according to the Ayurveda science, only Ayurveda science. This is the best way. Otherwise, the combination therapy, multi-pathy therapy, these are useless, hopeless things, because it is not possible. the condition is emergency. If the patient have a respiratory failure condition, hypoxic condition, breathless condition, you definitely go to support his life with the modern science. Suppose he failing to show the BP shock. If he is in shock, there are some drugs given in Ayurveda to treat the shock, but they have very respond lately. Shanir Artha, Shanir Pantha, Shanir Margama Chare. So this slow process may hamper the life of the patient. So in such a emergency conditions, you should support the patients with the modern equipments that NIV or that ventilators or maybe oxygen supply or maybe monitor, maybe pulse ox counting. These all the things may require to a patient in a critical condition. But today we know that 85% of patients are having very less symptoms which are suffering from COVID-19. So these patients who have less symptoms, until they have less, up to that you can go with the modern, with the Ayurveda science, Ayurveda philosophy or Ayurveda to treat these peoples. It's my humble request to all the global leaders that please don't misunderstand. Ayurveda is can be used as a modern medical science. You have to use the drugs, you have to use the drug as a whole, not as an extract and not as an acting principle like that things. As a whole, it is drug according to Ayurveda. If you go and find out the active principle of the drug, it is against the principle of Ayurveda. So today it's a message to everybody that you think by this way and then proceed, you will definitely find that one day will come in the universe that the whole universe is following the Ayurveda, and everywhere in the world you will find the people prefers Ayurvedic than that of any other science. Thank you. Jai Hind.